Welcome to this DelphStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to get your Discord token. A Discord token is a unique key that identifies your account to Discord's API. It is primarily used for bots or automation. It's important to never share your personal token as it grants full access to your account. You cannot get the Discord token from the app, so you need to open Discord in a web browser. Press Windows, Shift, and I to open the developer tools. Go to the Application tab. If the Application tab is not visible, click the arrow icon to reveal it. Then go to Local Storage and click the small arrow. Click on discord.com, and in the filter field, search for token. As you can see, we have successfully found the Discord token. Remember, tokens are sensitive information. Sharing them publicly or using someone else's token can result in account compromise or termination by Discord. We've learned how to access a Discord token safely using developer tools in Google Chrome. We also learned why it's important to never share your personal token. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelphStack tutorial videos.